Have you ever uploaded your first YouTube video, waited 24 hours, and saw 0 views? Yeah, that was me. I kept making videos, 12 in total over 3 months, and most of them didn't even pass 100 views. And that's when I realized I have messed up something badly. So I went down the rabbit hole, I watched around 20 tutorials, and finally figured out the 5 mistakes that were literally killing my channel's reach. And once you fix those settings, trust me, you will start seeing real changes in your channel performance. Now, the first setting you need to avoid getting wrong is open your YouTube channel from Browse and head over YouTube Studio. Then go to your content list, pick any video, and click on Details. Once you're there, you will see all your videos info, but there's one thing you really need to check, the alternated content option. If you select yes here, you're basically telling YouTube your content isn't beneficial for anyone on the platform, and that wasn't even made by human. And when YouTube gets that signal, it just stops showing your videos to people, and basically YouTube decides to move on. So make sure your every single video you've selected no on this setting. That way YouTube sees your content as valuable, made by a real creator, and it will actually start testing it to new audience. Alright, the second setting is super simple, but most creators skip it completely. And if you don't fix this one, YouTube has no clue who to recommend your videos to. Go to YouTube Studio, click Setting, then Upload Defaults, and open the Advanced Setting tab. Scroll down until you see Category. Now if it says None, that's a problem. When this field is empty, YouTube does not know what your content is about or who might enjoy it. That means your video could be getting pushed to totally random people or maybe not pushed at all. YouTube's recommendation system needs context, and this one line makes YouTube know who your right audience. Now click the drop down and pick a category that fits your channel. Now for most of us teaching YouTube tips or filmmaking, the best choice is How To Style. That tells YouTube your videos help people learn, and it automatically connects you with the right audience. Also, while you're there, make sure your video's language and your title and description language are set to English or whatever language you're speaking in your videos. And one more thing, make sure automatic chapters are turned on. That lets YouTube auto-add chapters and key moments, which helps improve watch time, viewers' retention, and SEO. Alright, the third setting isn't really a setting, but it's something most creators completely forget to do, and skipping it means you're literally missing on a lot of views. You really need to create playlists in your channel. Playlists work just like videos. YouTube actually recommends them to viewers too. When someone clicks on one of your videos inside a playlist, YouTube can automatically play the next one, and that can multiply your total views. When viewers watch more than one video in a row, YouTube sees that your content keeps people on the platform, and that's exactly what the algorithm rewards. Alright, here's what to do. Go to your channel and click on New Playlist. Start making playlists that actually match the topic you talk about. Let's say you've got a few videos about lighting. Put them all in one playlist. And also you got another about YouTube growth. Make a playlist for that too. Add a quick description so people know what they will get, and that's it. Now, when someone watches one video, YouTube will automatically line up the next one, and that's how your channel starts getting more views. Alright, the next setting can make a huge difference in your channel views. So go to YouTube Studio, open Content, and click on any of your video, scroll down and open the End Screen section. Now here's the thing. Most creators just link one random video at the end and that's it, but that only gives you one chance to keep a viewer watching. Instead, pick the playlist we just talked about. This small change can make people binge watch your videos one after another, and that's how your views start adding up fast. Alright, setting number 5 is one of the settings that most creators ignore, but it's one of the main important part of uploading your videos. Go to your video settings, scroll down and click Show More. Keep scrolling until you find a box called Tags. Tags help YouTube understand exactly what your video is about and who is it for. When your tags match your title and description, it gives YouTube an extra signal to recommend your videos to the right audience. So in every video, make sure all your tags are related to your video, no random words. These are the 5 settings that completely change how my channel performs. And if structuring your video is something really bothering you, I have put together a free script template that's gonna make the whole process a lot easier. Please subscribe subscribe below. And if you like this video, then you're gonna love my next playlist on how you can grow your channel. You can watch it in here. Please drop a like in this video. It helps a lot of people to find it. I really appreciate that. Subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll see you soon. Take it easy.